Open pretty smooth here. Ooh, first out the bag, what feels to be melted Japanese Kit Kats. They've been in a hot mailbox. Tennessee summer. That's pretty cool. It's a nice "Get Some" written on the back. Let's see what's next. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, two things. First, an official pencil trick pencil. That's pretty cool. And then one of these little spinny things. I'll have to try that out. I believe you put it in there and twist it, and it takes offline. Rattlesnake eggs. Caution, keep in cool place to prevent hatching. Tape here before mailing. Uh-oh. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Alright, so in case you guys missed that, it's a nice little booby trap here. And I'll figure out how to work this. And when you open it up, it makes a pretty cool sound. Got me there. That was a good one, Eric. Alright. Ooh, Eric Surf 6. Looks like a set of coins from Japan. I can't remember what their currency is. And, oh, it's the coin and the balloon trick. I remember now. That's a pretty cool trick. Autographed Eric Surf 6 picture. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Getting down to the bottom here. Got some stickers. I'd bang that. Get some. Show you guys these stickers. Change is good. What the fork? Ooh, rubber cockroach. That can be useful. I like that. Leave it right there for you guys. An Eric Surf 6 Get Some sticker. And those two again. And last but not least, the new Sticky Man. I saw that in one of the unboxing videos. Pretty cool. That guy stretch, stick to things. And I believe that's it. And hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a pretty fun-filled pack. I want to give credit to Eric Surf 6 for designing that. It's a great little giveaway, easy to send, nice little mail from Japan, and I'm going to be bragging about this for quite a while. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to Eric Surf 6.